Hello, everyone. Welcome to Square Media Network. My name is S.R. Ranjan and I'm a journalist. What I am reading is a coffee table book of the Raj Bhavan of the Jharkhand. The picture you see is the Raj Bhavan of Jharkhand. This coffee table book was prepared by the Times of India, and it was my pleasure while working with the Times of India to be part of this coffee table book. This coffee table book of the Raj Bhavan of Jharkhand was prepared when the Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, was then the governor of the state of Jharkhand. It was my privilege and pleasure to be involved and to be part of this coffee table book while preparing the content of the coffee table book, coordinating in the preparation of this coffee table book, the coffee table book of the Governor House of the Jharkhand. And it's an honor that the Governor of the state of Jharkhand, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, is today the President, the Honorable President of India. In today's point of view, what I am trying to talk about is power. When I say power, it is not about divine power or a physical or mental power, but the power that is vested by the law of the nation. The power that has been given to the state or the nation by the people of the nation, to the governmental or the constitutional institutions that govern the people. The power that appoints the heads of states. The power that appoints, nominates, elects the governments. And the people to the government institution. Call it the legislature, the executive, the judiciary. What does that power mean to all the state representatives, the government functionaries, the governmental institutions, the governmental agencies? the office bearers who hold official positions or the constitutional positions as per the law to serve the people, to be responsible and accountable to the people of the nation and the law of the nation. The power that has been wasted in all these governmental institutions, be it the legislature, the executive, the judiciary, is permanent. It's not an optional, and it doesn't work as a prerogative, as a discretion, or as a choice, as a perception, as an individual bearing to the office, but it acts and functions as per the law and as defined in the law books. And it is to say the purpose, the aim of all these laws is to serve the people for their welfare, for their protection, for their rights. And all the nominated lawmakers, the law executives, the courts of law have to function and govern as per the law. And the people who are appointed, nominated, elected to various positions of these offices are bound by the oath of office to function and perform the duty as per the law. And this applies not just to a nation, it applies to all the nations across the world where, be it the president of that nation, be it the prime minister of that nation, be it another heads of state, be it the members of the legislature, be it the official who are appointed as law executives, be it judges who are appointed to the court of law, are all done as per the law, and the power is vested and given to them as per the oath to the office, which defines and states for all and every action as per the law. The power that all these positions, the offices, have is as per the law, and there can be no, should be, divergence in action or in function or in its execution, in contradiction, contrary, in denial, refusal, neglect, against the law, the people of the nation, execute their power to appoint governments, government officials, office bearers, as lawmakers, law executed, and those who hold important positions in the courts of law. In upholding the laws and delivering justice for the people. These powers are very absolute, harmonic, and objective, and holds the supremacy of the law. The heads of the states, be it the president, prime minister, judges of honorable courts, have the topmost priority, responsibility, accountability, and duty towards using their powers to maintain the supremacy of the law for the people of the nation and uphold the law in all respect for every individual and citizen of the nation. This power that is given to the heads of state, the government and institutions, and the people who are appointed, nominated, and elected to govern as per the law, do not have the discretion and prerogative to either misuse this power that has been given to them by the law, that they have sown as an oath to the office. The power belongs to the people and it is for the people. Thus, power has to be maintained, used in as sacred and sacrosanct manner. It is to understand in this way power that has been wasted to the authorities, to the beholders of the law has to be used to serve the people. It is the highest form of responsibility of the heads of the states, be it the presidents, the prime ministers, the judges of the highest courts, to uphold these hard laws, because the nation looks up to these heads of states, and the nation follows the heads of the states as they perform their duties in execution of these laws. The people of the nation will only understand, follow, and enact in a similar manner as per these heads of the states, be it the president, the prime minister, the judges of the courts. Maintain these laws, use their power to uphold the law in the manner in which these laws are being practiced in delivering justice to the people of the nation. It is very important that the power is used in a very critical manner to serve justice, equality, and liberty to every individual of the nation. Hope we understand that the power is not a personal entity but a public entity to serve the people. Hope we all, irrespective of who's who, we understand that the justice system, the institutional framework, the government and institutions have been given the power to serve as per the law of the nation for the people of the nation. There is an interesting observation by an honorable High Court that was made in a case in defining what are the roles and responsibilities of an elected representative of the people. And the court, honorable court observes that elected representatives who are elected as per the law, they are shown to uphold, and there is no room for personal wins. The Honorable Court says and observes an elected representative is bound by constitutional and legal obligations, not personal, political, or ideological preferences. It further observes a note taking observation that is, a note taking ceremony is the expression of a commitment to serve citizens faithfully, respect the Constitution, and exercise authority within the ambit of the law. The court observed that legal compliance is not an optional activity for an elected representative, and that they are not above the law. Well, while this observation by the Honorable High Court, is about elected representatives, the people. It holds the same for all governmental institutions, all the constitutional institutions that function and are established as per the law. The oath to the office of the law in all these constitutional and governmental institutions is to uphold the law and function as per the law. Hope, along with the people of the nation, all the authorities, all the constitutional institutions, the governmental institutions, the heads of the states, we all understand as common citizens of the nation that the power that we all have is to act as per the law. It is very well said, and I believe when it comes to power, be it the power of governance, power of being heads of state, the power of being serving the people at various positions and highest positions of governmental institutions, the legislature, the executive, the judiciary. The value of the power is very important. And it is not more important in holding this power or the power that you have, the power that has been vested to you. The more important thing is what you do with that power is more important. What have you done with that power that was vested to you is more important. And how was that power used to serve the people is more important. Hope you all understand the value of power. And the purpose it serves for the people of the nation to meditate and deliberate on such upon issues of power in our next episodes. Two, watch my channel, Point of View, Square Media Net. This is Saran signing off. Take care. God bless.